Are you looking for the best digital caliper? In this video, we will break down the top digital calipers on the market. Before we get started with our video detailing the best digital caliper, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have Mitutoyo 500 196/30 digital caliper. When looking for a quality digital caliper, it doesn't get better than Mitutoyo's 500 196/30. The advanced on-site sensor is an electromagnetic inductive sensor, which provides resistance against dirt, oil, and water. It measures depth, inside, outside, and step values with an accuracy of 0.0005 inches or 0.01 millimeters for maximum precision. The measuring range itself goes from 0 to size inches and easily swaps between imperial and metric measurements. It can also switch between absolute and incremental measurement readings as needed. Finally, it includes an SR44 silver oxide battery in its own packaging to ensure no power has been drawn prior to using. The Mitutoyo is often found on reloading benches of gun and ammo enthusiasts who demand consistent precision. Users of the 500 196/30 note that the quality can be felt the moment you open the package and pick the caliper up. The quality continues, with reports that the caliper doesn't need to be reset unless you change the battery, as well as the ability to give stable, repeatable readings. Consumers who have bought other Mitutoyo calipers in the past note that the quality remains strong, while power use has become more efficient, leading to an even longer battery life. The single biggest concern brought up by consumers isn't regarding the caliper itself, but rather the risk of getting a counterfeit or knockoff tool instead of a genuine Mitutoyo. Made in China instead of Japan like the real thing, these knockoffs have several features to watch out for. The two most obvious signs are the use of an LR44 battery instead of an SR44, and a display which only reads to 3 decimal places instead of 4. The official version reads in the 10,000ths, and always includes an SR44 battery, which must be installed before using. The shipping information may show either China or Japan. When purchasing the 500 196/30, it is vital that you always purchase from a reputable online dealer. At number 2, we have the EAGems IP54 digital caliper. If you're new to the world of digital calipers, EAGems has created a model that's perfect for you. The caliper itself is hardened stainless steel, with no plastic parts, and an IP54 rating against dust and liquids. The LCD screen provides large, easy-to-read numbers, unlike a traditional dial caliper. The display quickly switches between imperial, metric, and fractional measurements, with a range from 0 to 6 inches, and an accuracy of 0.0005 inches, 0.01 millimeters, or 1/64 inches as a fraction. Finally, a full 2-year warranty is provided upon registration of the product. This has been a winner with new consumers, as the company has been known to send a follow-up email explaining how to use digital calipers. Owners have also noted that customer service is always top-notch, and the warranty provides some extra peace of mind in workshops where tools suffer plenty of use and abuse. The quality has surprised veterans, who have compared it to industry standards such as Mitutoyo with excellent results. One major problem seems to be common with this company, and may affect your purchase. A few users have noted that the caliper seems to have arrived used or refurbished, leading to calibration issues, a damaged retaining clip or bushing, or overly sensitive sensor that will turn the caliper on when the case is simply moved. For this reason, it is best to thoroughly inspect the caliper upon arrival for signs of use or wear. Among those who have received a used product, it has been reported that EAGems customer service representatives are quick to send a replacement if contacted and shown photos illustrating the signs of prior usage. Again, purchasing from a well-known online store is the best insurance you have against any issue. And at number 3, we have the RCBS 87323 digital caliper. RCBS offers a high-quality digital caliper at a reasonable price with its 87323 model. Featuring a hardened stainless steel body and easy-to-read LED display, the caliper measures depth, external, internal, and step dimensions easily. As with most calipers in its class, the 87323 is also able to switch easily between imperial and metric measurements. Those who have purchased the RCBS model are quite pleased with the quality of this tool, paired with the relatively low price. The large display makes it easy for many users who have difficulty reading measurements on vernier and dial calipers. Owners have also noted the high accuracy of up to 1/1000th of an inch and locking feature which speeds up multiple measurements. The only common complaint about the 87323 is its lack of automatic shutoff, which can lead to rapid battery drain if you forget to turn it off between uses. A few consumers have had issues with the auto power and calibration. It is unknown if these complaints have been due to a defective product, receiving a refurbished model, or have met with other problems. In most cases, notifying customer service has resulted in a working replacement. So that sums up our top digital calipers. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.